Welcome to Poland. It's a bit, it's not dissimilar to the Manchester, Liverpool weather, is it?
It's actually quite warm, isn't it?
It is warmer than it is back home, isn't it?
It's lovely.
Tell you what, it's not a busy airport, one plane. Don't think many people come here, babe. You know what I mean? So we've arrived, we've gone through customs, and this is Poland Airport. Be warned, it's very, very small, so not a lot here at all. And customs is a bit of a nightmare now we're not in the EU. So, but be warned, I said it is small. One plane here today. But anyway, we're going to go and get our Uber. So next time you should see us will be, hopefully, in the hotel. Yeah.
Mac and cheese on three. Ama televizyonda
Popeyes.
Leroy Merlin Hall, like Spain.
Handsome.
Carnival. Well, it's huge, that estate, isn't it?
It's like all sorts in Transylvania, really. It's just like weird. It's weird. It's weird, isn't it? Look at that. Thousands of houses. And yeah. Okay. In Finland, by fire. Oh yeah, which Finland? Seen it that time. In train there, like there in the middle of the night, right? No, that's
Nice little city, though, isn't it?
Het is knallende.
different houses.
Look over that side, babe. Seeing all the time.
Some cracking architecture.
Oh, that's gorgeous.
Oh, there we go, and there's a little wheel there. See that little dinky one? I think that's where the actual middle of the centre is. So then what's it called? The return that is probably the somewhere.
Yeah, we're right by you.
It's only little, that Christmas
Tiny, I know.
What's in there? Is that the church? I don't know. Huge. It's a museum. Lots of people going in it.
Mad way they have like pink buildings and not just everywhere.
Come on in. We're 6:09.
We've just come up the lift and we're on floor 6. Nice.
Lovely that,
It
isn't it?
is, isn't it?
We'll go down this way.
Go on. Walk with Markie.
Nice bit of leather.
Meeting to bondage.
It's a family channel. It's a family channel. Look at the carpet. And the walls. It's all blended. It's a low light. Put these little lights over the mirrors just to look at me.
It is nice. It's quite scary, isn't it? Does it remind you of The Shining? What room are we in?
6:09.
Ooh, shall we have a nose? No, come on, let's go right to ours. I think we're next door but one.
With this one. Right, you ready?
Yeah. I can hear Katie giggling.
Let's just put this in for you. Light.
Okie dokie then. Welcome to Poland with Mark and Lollie. Right, let's just put this bag down before I do a little review. Let's see. Here we go. Right, okay. Let's take you round slowly. What's in here? Oh, it's a mirror. Right, okay, bathroom. Oh, it's quite nice, Mark.
Okay, is it?
Yeah. Oh, come on, should we do how many you can get in the shower?
Go then.
How many do you think?
Wow, that's huge.
I'm gonna say, oh we are. I'd say 1, 2, 3, 4. 4.
I think 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to go for 5.
5.
Squeeze
Oh
them
my
in.
good God, squeeze them in.
Yeah.
I know we've been made, but you know. Slim. Hi.
It's simple, nice.
I thought you might have had the lights on for me by now.
I thought I had. Oh, no, that's. Which is the light?
I thought you'd had. Do you reckon turn the lights on?
Let me go and turn them on then.
It's a lovely big bed, isn't it? Do you want to do the bed test?
Okay.
Hang on. Go on.
You ready?
Yeah, go on. Oh, solid.
Yeah, that's a bit harder. If we're going to do a bed test, you might as well do a bed test. Oh my God, that's 4 discs out of place. Oh.
No, it's nice. And we've got, let's have a little look here. So we've got a kettle with some complimentary waters, a couple of glasses. What else have we got in there? Some teas and coffees.
Did you smell
Let me see what's in this one. Oh, we got a mini fridge. No. Do you know if they're going to give you complimentary water? You think they'd actually put them in the fridge for you to get them cold? Wouldn't you think? Nice telly. What's the view like?
Have a look.
Oh, you're rubbish, you.
Okay.
Am I supposed to get through there? Okay. We've got
Oh, right, okay.
wow, that looks like a prison block, doesn't it? So not the best view.
No.
Okie dokie. Catch you in a bit. Laters. Just to go back in the bathroom, and Brandon was on point. Not Brandon was on point, but the toilet roll was on point. But we've used it, so it's not now. So what have we got? We've got some complimentary shampoo, body wash, body lotion and hair conditioner. We've also got a little vanity kit and a shower cap. And oh, fabulous, I love these because then I can put my makeup on in the morning and I can see properly. Here we go. Hello. We've also got some storage that I forgot to show you before. So we've got an ironing board, an iron, good old trusty iron, some hangers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 short, there should be 6. Nice wooden hangers. Are they, is the Brandon okay with them? No, nice hangers. And we've got some more storage. And we've got a safe. We've got a shoe shine kit, a sewing kit, and a little shoe shine brush, and also a bag for your laundry. We've also got some more nice hangers there. Yeah, that's all I forgot to show you before. There you go. Bye. Okay, let's go for a walk with Mark and Lollie. We've just come out the hotel lift, and this is what we're pleased with. We're just going to have a little mooch to see what's going on in the spa. So, spa opening times. Let's have a little look.
I might not be allowed to put this on.
Careful.
So.
Normally are, just not round the pool. Pool opening times.
It's a lovely spa, isn't it?
Beautiful.